Okay, this plantain row with drainage goes all the way down there next to the cassava, and then we have the dates, all the date trees, and we're trying sawdust on them now to help retard the weeds, because the grass just takes right over. Maybe we can deter it with sawdust. We'll give it a shot, see how it goes. And inside the fence we have the exotic plants. Which are doing really good today. Look at there's one there. The herb of life leaf, whatever it is. Daddle date. Oh, and here's the asparagus. Yes, asparagus. Yeah. Papillon. And date, just to show you the size of this date here. You can see from my size. And we're going to try the same thing with the pineapples, because the pineapples do get overtaken with weeds too. So here, this one we're trying leaves, which does retard it a fair bit, but hopefully the sawdust will do a better job on these ones next to the pepper patch, the hot pepper patch. We got to make another hot pepper patch, a bigger one, for a very hot pepper patch. As soon as I decide where I'm going to locate it. These are the Vietnamese peppers. Peanut butter tree. And exotic trees start over here, a little bit behind, a little bit in front here. The mummy fruit, sapatilla, and the apple. Voila. Yeah, lots of bananas taking off now, starting to sprout out. And of course the exotic jackfruit. And the grapes. And the eggplant. Here's all the these are the bigger yellow sugar apples, or cinnamon apples.